Good afternoon, everyone. I am Disha Sharma, your host, and I am excited to welcome you all to this transformative session organized by the Institution's Innovation Council (IIC) in collaboration with Department of Information Technology and Internal Quality Assurance (CEL) (IQAC), a testament to our commitment to nurturing problem solvers, game changers, and visionaries like you. Let's take a moment to shine a spotlight on the remarkable journey of Jim Swasankuch, which serves as a testament to the quality of education and innovation we aim to cultivate today. The institution has been recognized in the NIRF India College Rankings 2024, proudly securing a place in the rank band of 201 to 300. This achievement highlights the commitment to excellence in education and the cultivation of future leaders. But that's not all. James Vasant Kunj has also been awarded the 17th Best BBA Program in India according to the India Today B School Survey 2024. Additionally, it has claimed the 23rd spot in the overall rankings for BBA colleges in the Times of India. These accolades reflect the relentless pursuit of quality education and dedication to empowering students. Let's celebrate these remarkable achievements and continue the journey of success. Before we dive in, let me share that this session is proudly part of our ongoing series organized by the Institution's Innovation Council (IIC), established on November 21st, 2018 at Jim Swasankuch. The IIC is dedicated to fostering innovation and nurturing entrepreneurial talent. Since inception of IICs by the Innovation Cell (MIC), as per the norms and directives of the Ministry of Education, then Ministry of Human Resource Development (MHRD), it is established to engage a large number of faculty, students, and staff in various innovation and entrepreneurship-related activities such as hackathons, leadership talks, ideation, workshops, seminars in IPR, entrepreneurship, and other competitive events to enhance the innovation and entrepreneurship ecosystem in the institute. It is always a proud moment when we welcome a distinguished individual who has not only achieved a great success but continues to inspire us with their dedication and expertise. I am honored to introduce our esteemed guest, Mr. Naveen Kumar Gaur, the Chief Operating Officer of IIIT Delhi Innovation and Incubation Center. With over a decade of experience in incubation management, technology transfer, and startup development, he has been instrumental in securing over 10.75 crore rupees in grants and managing a portfolio of more than 200 startups, empowering numerous entrepreneurs on their journey to success. Mr. Gaur's vision and leadership have led to groundbreaking initiatives, including strategic industry partnerships, incubation policies, and funding programs that continue to drive innovation. His extensive affiliations as a mentor for Startup India, an advisory board member for multiple startups, and an external expert for prestigious institutions such as IIT Delhi and DTU, further highlight his impact in entrepreneurial ecosystem, from securing multi-crore funds for startup support to leading key technology licensing agreements. His contributions have shaped the future of many aspiring innovators. We are truly grateful to have him here with us today. We heartily welcome you, sir. I now request Dr. Anisha Tandon to kindly present a planter to our esteemed guest as a token of gratitude. So let's give a resounding round of applause to welcome our esteemed guest, a leader, a change maker, and an inspiration to all of us, Mr. Naveen Kumar Gaur. Now I would like to call Sir to enlighten us on lean startup and minimum viable product business. Sir, the stage is all yours.
So, are you comfortable with English, Hindi, or English? Whatever you say. English? English? We'll do English. No issues. ठीक है. So, you have heard my introduction. ज़्यादा कान डालने की जरूरत नहीं है. बहुत कुछ लिखा है. ठीक है. I have not raised funding for my own startup. I have not started my own company yet. I have raised funds for others, and which is part of my job. So until unless you raise funds from your own venture, it's all hogwash. You are doing your job. When you raise funds for your own startup, that is the clear motivation. How many of you are familiar with the startup terminology? What is a startup? Anyone? Batao.
Let's solve the problem by creating creative methods of creativity.
Okay. Yes.
So starting up or working on your ideas with some business line or some way of thinking for yourself.
Okay. So if I go ahead and I see that there is no kirana shop in 500-meter radius here, I open a kirana shop and I run it for 50 years. Am I an entrepreneur? Why? No, it's a business. What is a business? Business क्या होता है?
Because it is the traditional way of it is the traditional way only that you have opened a shop only. We have opened a shop, it is a traditional way of doing business.
Okay.
You have not added some creativity.
Good enough. ठीक है, we will come to that. ठीक है. So before we begin, we will go through some terms that we will use repeatedly in this presentation. So it's better that we get it explained beforehand. ठीक है. So we will start with idea. What is an idea? Idea is anything that pops up in your head. ठीक है. Fair enough. आज मुझे कॉलेज बंक मारना है. It's an idea. ठीक है. बंक मारे करना क्या है? That is the execution. लेकिन idea is to bunk the college. Or I will go to the campus, but I will hang out with my friends in canteen. I will not go to any class. That is again an idea. Or I will not submit my assignment. So these are ideas. Similarly, anything that you conceive, you think of about a real world problem that you see. And India is full of problems. India is a problem state. Okay? Due to whatsoever reasons. So the more the problems are, the more the scope for your ideas there, which can solve the problem. So any idea that can solve the problem of society, of the country or of the world, which can be scaled, is a viable idea that can be converted into a startup. Simple enough? But it's like raising a baby. When a baby is small, just born, so I'm a father of 3-year-old kid, so I am some experience in that field also. So a baby cannot, feed himself or herself, cannot walk, okay, cannot change its clothes or diapers. So similarly, the idea, any idea is like that only. An idea and the ideator, they are just like that baby. You cannot survive alone in this world. If you want to grow, if you want to do something for yourself, you need a support ecosystem. And then that support ecosystem is provided by incubation center. So incubation center is a pretty old terminology, and there are few incubation centers in India that have been existing since last 20-25 years. IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay, IIT Madras, and some other older institutes. But after this new startup wave came along in 2016-17, government and academic institutions have started focusing on developing and starting incubation centers. So incubation center just provides that ideal set of environmental conditions for any startup to grow. Now let's come to POC. What is POC? Any idea?
Proof of concept.
Very good. Proof of concept. What is a proof of concept? Concept is your idea. Let's assume, let me give you a very basic example. If I have thought of developing a drug for cancer, and anyone can think of that, but not everyone can develop it. So I mixed various chemicals and various drug components together, did some chemical reactions. Everyone is aware of basic biology and chemistry, I assume.
Yeah.
Okay. So you prepare something and then you test not on humans, no, not on animals, in cell cultures, in labs, small flasks, and you see that whatever you have developed is killing cancer cells. Okay, so that is your proof of concept. Okay. Similarly, you have developed an AI model that predicts share market fluctuations 24 hours before. Okay. You have not given it to anyone, you have not marketed it, you have just developed it on your laptop, and you saw that for at least for 7 days straight, whatever prediction it has given, if the share market has gone in the similar direction. That is basic proof of concept. It is not sellable. ये आप किसी को बेच नहीं सकते हो. It is not scalable as of now. मतलब आप बहुत सारे लोगों को भी नहीं बेच सकते, कुछ नहीं कर सकते इसका. This is the first step from theory to practical. कि अभी तक जो भी था आपके दिमाग की खुराफात थी, अब कुछ आपने कर लिया ग्राउंड पे, ठीक है? Then prototype. POC, the next level of POC, proof of concept, is prototype. Now again, let's go back to a cancer drug example. अभी आपने इसको जस्ट एक सेल कल्चर में टेस्ट किया. नाउ यू हैव टेस्टेड इट ऑन एनिमल्स, मंकीज में टेस्ट किया और रैट्स पे. देन यू गेट अ प्रोटोटाइप. प्रोटोटाइप अगेन इज नॉट अ सेलेबल प्रोडक्ट. ओके, इट इज between the very crude idea and the final product that is developed. Okay. Then again I missed it, team. So I'll come back to that later. Validation. So validation is different for different kind of products or technologies. Let's take a typical software development analogy. Anything that works in real life conditions, real and tested by real users, not necessarily by for the commercial purpose. For instance, you are all users of Amazon, okay? But before I launch an Amazon-like app, I will give it to you for testing. And since you are the real users, you are not developers, you are not co-developers, you are not founders, co-founders, you will give your validation. Are you happy with it? Are there any feedback that I need to incorporate into my software? So that is validation. Then business model. How you are going to do your business? How you are going to sell it? How you are going to generate revenue from it? How you are going to diversify your product pipeline? Of course, one product will not cut it. Once you have reached a certain height, you have to diversify your offering. I will come to that again in different slides. MVP itself is a big thing. I have a few slides on that. So it's called minimum viable product, and I will discuss in detail. Sustainability. So once your business has started, let's assume your business model, your prototype, your validation, and your team all synchronized. Everything is green. So you started making some money. This month you made 50 lakhs, next month you made 60 lakhs, next month you made 1 CR. But will this company survive in long run? I have seen startups, those they minted money like anything in early days, and then 2-3 years down the line they went down under. सब बंद हो गया, दुकान ही बंद हो गई. That is the question we ask in sustainability. Is it a temporary solution? Or is a sustainable solution? Temporary. Let's take another example. COVID. Well, I come from a biomedical background. लोगों ने मास्क बना के लोग millionaires हो गए, सैनिटाइजर बना के. But अब तो कोई नहीं खरीद रहा. So that business model, which is based on temporary needs of the market, is not sustainable. So an entrepreneur should be able to foresee what will be the business demands in future, near future and far future. Okay. Then compliances. Whenever you do a startup, some compliances needs to be done: tax compliances, financial compliances, legal compliances. Because there is a thing called corporate law, Companies Act. Anyone heard of it? किसी ने सुना है? Companies Act के बारे में? तुम तो विजिट पे आए थे ना? हाँ तो ठीक है, तुमको पता होगा. So just like income tax, everyone knows income tax. आपके father पेरेंट्स फाइल करते होंगे. हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू नो इनकम टैक्स? नाम सुना है? So there are some set of rules for individuals income tax that a person who is earning so and so amount has to follow. Similarly, there are so many rules for companies that they must follow in order to ensure that they are adhered to government guidelines. Okay, so these are compliances. And I'll go to next slide. I will cover the remaining terms in next slide. So let's begin with the bare basics. Who is an entrepreneur? लिखा हुआ है anyway. Anyone who creates a startup is an entrepreneur. But who will just incorporating a company, does it make someone an entrepreneur? No. You have to see where your product or your technology, your product or technology or even your idea that you are thinking is fitting. Let's take another example. I try to teach by examples. So when I was in my college, everyone was using push button phones. देखे सबने feature phones, button वाले. And at that time, I'm extremely sorry. And at that time, it was Nokia was the leader of the market. 70% market share was captured by Nokia. And touch screen phones were very limited. Capacitive touch that we use with the stylus were in the market. But it was just the touch screen that was different. Otherwise, the features were essentially the same. So Steve Jobs and Apple, they thought that there is a need of innovation. There is a clear gap in the market that can be catered by Apple. So they came up with iPhone, and overnight, and let me say again, overnight the whole smartphone market turned upside down. Nokia shares were at all-time low, and 6-7 years down the line, Nokia almost got closed off. Okay, and Apple is the new leader. Similarly, on Apple's line, Android was developed and everything. So the gap was seen by them that no, this is not the future. These push button phones are not the future. We want all features packed in the smartphone, in the phone, which we will call smartphone. Okay. Then again, here Steve Jobs was the entrepreneur. He was not the innovator. Be very, clear in these terminologies. Anyone who invents or innovates is an innovator. I developed that cancer drug. Let's go back again to that analogy. That cancer drug I developed, I tested it in cell culture, I tested it on mice. I found it good enough, it is working. That makes me innovator. It doesn't make me good enough to market it and sell it to the people. That I cannot do. I don't have the skills, I don't have the capability, I don't have the resources, I don't have the infrastructure, and I don't have, most importantly, I don't have that mindset. Okay, so this is where the entrepreneur comes in. He sees the gap in the, he or she, sees the gap in the market. Then either himself or herself or someone from his or her network, they work on solving that problem. The innovation comes in, the entrepreneur takes it up and then markets it. And this is how the whole value chain works. Simple enough? I hope it is not getting too boring. जब boring लगे बता देना, ठीक है? Generic slide. I will not take too much of time, but the last slide is very important. How many of you heard about Jack of all, Master of none? सबने सुना है this? So Jack of all, Master of none works pretty well in life, but not for an entrepreneur. You can be very good at engineering, mind-blowingly good at developing AI modules and everything. But if you cannot sell that, you can be very good innovator, but you cannot be entrepreneur. You can be very good in my field, biomedical engineering. I have a couple of patents in my name. I didn't sell it, so कोई फायदा हुआ नहीं. But an entrepreneur मैम आप प्लीज बैठ जाइए ना. ठीक है, लेट देम टॉक, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, किड्स हैं, मालूम चलेगा. Those who want to listen will listen. तो सब थोड़ा सा मैनेजमेंट आना चाहिए, थोड़ा इंजीनियरिंग आना चाहिए, पीपल स्किल शुड बी देयर, थोड़ा सा अकाउंटिंग आना चाहिए, फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट आना चाहिए, सेल्स आना चाहिए, मार्केटिंग आना चाहिए, पैकेजिंग आना चाहिए, थोड़ा थोड़ा एवरीथिंग. Because as a founder, the liabilities are your shoulder to kickstart your campaign of the startup or build a team. Not everyone can have all the skills. That's where the core team comes into the picture. I am good at engineering, I am good at packaging, I am good at mathematics and financial modeling, but I don't have people skill. I want to sit in my room and I just want to do these works. So I will find a co-founder whose vision is synchronized with me, but the skills are complementary. So that guy or lady should have a people skill, because I don't have it. Making sense?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Now we are taking a deeper dive on entrepreneurship. So how to do it? There are a few models, standard philosophical models. These are not mathematical models, philosophical models. How do you start your startup journey and how you want to persevere it? So there are three schools, three kind of thoughts. Just do it. जैसे हम लोग कॉलेज में पढ़ते हैं, मेरा भी वही अप्रोच था, जो आ रहा है करते लोग. So how many of you think that it will be a good approach for a startup? Just do it, जो आ रहा है करते जाओ. ठीक है, we have two votes. अच्छा. So second is a launch a rocket ship. How many of you have seen a rocket launch on TV? जिनको पता है कि rocket launch में क्या होता है? क्या होता है उसमें? Last में क्या होता है? Countdown होता है. What does countdown denote? क्या दिखाता है वो? What does it reflect?
Right time to launch when the timer is 0 to 1.
Yeah. When the countdown begins and when it's a big launch, it doesn't begin with 10. It starts at least 1 day or 1.5 days prior. The countdown ensures that all the inspections, audits, processes have been checked. Last time, complete audit of the launch system. Can I get some water? Why? Because once the rocket is launched, once it is in the atmosphere, you have a very limited control over it, especially for unmanned, satellite launch vehicles. So all the planning has to be done. So there are two things. One point, just do it as no planning. You are executing, you are tackling the challenges as and when they arrive. Second, you are doing all the things beforehand. You have to in rocket ship launch. But you have very limited control once the product is in the market or rocket is in the atmosphere. And then the third school, the third philosophy is drive a car. Once you start driving a car, not necessarily car, bike, bicycle, you know where are you starting from. You know what is your destination. You know what kind of route, which route you are going to take. I have to drive from IIT Delhi to here. I know it is a 16-kilometer journey. I knew that I had to reach before 12 because at 12 session will start. But during that, course, I took a couple of shortcuts. Google suggested me don't go that way, go this way. So these are minor adjustments that I did in the journey, but I ended up with the exact destination on time that I had planned. So the startup is more like this. You plan your things on a major milestones basis, but don't be shy from making minor adjustments in the course. Okay, so these are some schools that I wanted to share. Now I'll go to entrepreneurial processes. This is going to be very interactive. So, ideation. What is ideation?
Ideation basically is a stage where you are identifying or solving a problem. Basically, you are on an ideation stage. It means your idea is not completed. I mean, your solution is not completed for that problem.
This plain ideation. Getting that khurafat in your brain. As simple as that. कैसे होगी? The source can be from anywhere. I'm walking, I was coming down the stairs. I thought for handicapped people, especially able people walking down the stairs is a difficulty. We should invent a tool that helps them, take upstairs or downstairs. So something from your own experience. I like coding. I want to develop an app. So see here. Hobbies are skills. Based on your own hobbies or skills, you can develop something. You are good in, design. I want to be a design entrepreneur. I want to start my own design company. You are good at coding. You can develop some softwares. You are good at engineering. You develop a new type of processor or new type of chip. You are good at biology, biomedical engineering. You try to develop some drugs or drug delivery systems. That is a skill. Or hobbies. I am from engineering, but I don't like engineering as much. I like finance. That is not my skill, my hobby. Based on my hobby, I start studying, and then I do something in finance. I started a company. I'll start a company in financial consulting. Getting my point? Simple enough? Okay. Then consumer needs. The staircase example that I gave. Then surveys and questionnaires. You don't know what is happening in the market. You just fill out a questionnaire. Let's see what kind of. I want to solve a problem in Delhi Metro. I give a questionnaire. What kind of problem are you facing while your daily commute? आपने 500 लोगों को form float कर दिया. You got the results. You started seeing. Once you deep dive, you will start seeing patterns because daily commuters face similar problems. People going from Rajiv Chowk to Gurgaon on a daily basis, 2000 will have the same set of problems, slightly varying. So if you get that questionnaire right, you will have a problem that is there that needs to be solved. Okay. For instance, when I get down at Oscars, it's a long commute. If I want to change the line, how many of you have changed that line? Oscars way, yellow line to magenta line. It's a pain point, especially for elderly and pregnant women, differently able people, people with some kind of disease. It's a pain point. Why aren't we solving it? So problems, as I told earlier, India is a problem state. You need to find the problem, and you have to have the skills, ability, passion, and mindset to solve it. Then something is called demographic. Some issues are there in key demography or geographic areas. For instance, every year Bihar gets flooded in the monsoon season. Every year in November, Delhi gets shattered by pollution. These are particular geographic problems that needs to be solved at a local scale, but the problem is large enough to be solved. Okay, so these kind of problem statements you can find. Then market flavor. This is the least preferred one in my opinion. You should never go with the market flavor. Why? Market flavor is 10 minutes delivery. Market flavor is 5 minutes delivery. Okay, market flavor is generative artificial intelligence. If you don't know it, if you can't do it, neither you have skills, neither you have passion, don't do it. Because one market is a very volatile and dynamic place. आज कुछ है कल कुछ और होगा. अगर आप मार्केट की फ्लेवर के बेसिस पे अपने प्रोडक्ट एंड डिजाइन टेक्नोलॉजी बनाओगे, it will never succeed. Okay, and then news items. Go through the news regularly and maybe you can find some problem statements. Then concept development, I think हमने इसको थोड़ा बहुत cover कर लिया है. I have covered theoretical viability. Theoretical viability, I'll repeat once more. Theoretical viability means you have conceptualized an idea, but you need not start working in the laboratory or in practicality straight away. Sleep on it. I myself have some very outrageous startup idea in my days, and the moment it clicked, yeah, ये तो बड़ा ही तोड़ू idea, I will do something big. 2-3 days, what an idiot are you? This will not work. So be your own critic and sleep over your idea. You yourself will find it at a baseline level that it will work or not. Okay. Then find a suitable incubator. I have told you. Find mentors. Mentors are very important in any entrepreneurial development because they will help you in technology development, business development, compliances, fundraising, scaling up, diversifying, shares, everything. Because again, you may have basic knowledge for it, but for developing a successful business, you have to have someone to support you through their own in-depth knowledge. And remaining is self-explanatory. I will not take much of time. Okay, now resourcing. Once you have developed a proof of concept kind of thing or prototype kind of thing, how will you generate resources? You will hire people. You cannot do it all. You will have supply chain issues. You will have manufacturing issues. You will have marketing issues, sales issues, compliance issues, funding issues. So you have to have people around you who can each group with a speciality. That's why big corporates that you see, they have a separate independent divisions. Sales division is different, marketing is different, investment is different, supply chain is different, manufacturing is different. So developers are different. Then you raise funds, then you start thinking of how I can go to market. By this time, some startups, and these are not, temporarily, bifurcated from each other completely. They are overlapping with each other. ऐसा मसला नहीं पहले ये करना है फिर ये करना है फिर ये करना है फिर ये करना है. These are not like that. They all go hand in hand. सब एक साथ चल रहा है. Depending on your priority, you are driving a car. Remember, you are having some problem in manufacturing. Your focus will shift to manufacturing. Okay. So, what is go-to-market strategy? GTM. किसी को idea है? It's pretty self-explanatory. बताओ. अच्छा. Have some guesses na based on words, 3 words. Go to market. No, this is after the product is developed. You are telling me before. That is basically what you are saying is kind of validation or ideation पे होता है. So once I have a product, or at least I am ready to build the product, how I am going to sell it? That is the go-to-market strategy. So I am going to do offline model, I am going to do online model, I am going to give it to government entities, depending on your products. I am going to sell it to businesses. For instance, again, one example. Microsoft at one point of time, by early 2000s, was a mostly retail-based company. Retail-based company means the most of its user groups were individual users. Okay, early 90s तक तो definitely थी. Then Windows was their most used tool. Office was their most used tools. And then this guy, who is the founder of Windows, Bill Gates. So he left the company, for philanthropic purposes. So the new CEO came. The company was not performing well. It was doing decently good, but the expectations from Microsoft or Google or Amazon or Facebook or Apple is pretty high. So what happened that their business was not doing pretty well in terms of retail, in terms of business. It was just doing okayish. So when Satya Nadella took over, he diversified the product, and then he focused mostly on business users, from cloud computing to their hardware products. Their office suite was very hardly pushed into the enterprises. In COVID, the teams came up. So the GTM, how he went to the market, changed from retail to corporate, and now it is second most valued company on the planet, around almost 2 trillion, and experts say that since the product offering is very diversified by Microsoft, The sustainability of Microsoft, in spite of having lesser valuation than Apple, the sustainability is much higher than Apple. Because Apple is extensively dependent on iPhone. If today iPhone sales are banned across the world, Apple's revenue will fall by 70% almost. But if Microsoft Windows gets banned, their revenues will fall by 80 to 90%. If Office gets banned, their revenues will fall again by 19-20%. If cloud computing services gets banned, then 11 to 12%. So this is how we can't go to market and how we are offering our product to different set of audience in the market, different set of users in the market, and how we are going to sell it. That is a basic GTM. Clear enough?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. I'll skip something because mostly I have to talk on MVPs. See, actualization is when you enter in the market and start selling your product or technology. As simple as that. बस. कैसे बेच रहे हो, कितना प्रॉफिट आ रहा है, वो सब बात में कहा है. ठीक है. And then harvesting. Harvesting is very important. Once you have harvesting का literal meaning क्या है? What is the literal meaning of harvesting? You harvest the crop.
Yes, sir.
So you seed, you irrigate, you give these fertilizers and everything. You monitor your crop. If you, some of you are from agricultural background, will understand better. And then 4 or 5 months later, you cultivate. तो इतना आपने startup में मेहनत किया, then you started getting revenues. It's time to cultivate the revenues and start the next phase. So now you have sold your product to good number of customers, you have reaped some revenues. Now it's time to think long term. Now I have 1 crore rupee in my bank account, what am I going to do? Am I going to invest into a development of another product? I am going to invest into development of the current product. I am going to extend my team. I am going to invest into other startups so that my money can grow. So these kind of decisions is where the harvesting comes to the picture. Okay? Again, ये सब डिस्कस हो चुका है मेरा. ये भी मैंने आपको एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है. So I will not go into that. This also I have explained. Any questions here? I mean generally मैंने सब कुछ बता दिया है. So I getting bored? अच्छा, नहीं बोलना तो बता देना यार. ठीक है, चलो next चलते हैं. So, lean startup. What does lean mean? Lean का meaning क्या होता है literal? हाँ भाई पीछे वाले उधर कौन सबको बताएं कुछ? अरे lean की spelling L-E-A-N, pronunciation lean, meaning in Hindi. Anyone? पतला दुबला, lean and thin. ठीक है. So why it is called lean? स्टार्टअप दुबला पतला है, दुबले पतले फाउंडर्स हैं. या स्टार्टअप बनाने के बाद बेचारे दुबले पतले हो गए. ऐसा तो हुआ नहीं होगा. ठीक है. Because the methodology is very straightforward, single line. That is what's called lean startup. ठीक है. तो the perfect business plan जो अभी तक हमने सारी बातें करी. So this is a complete different approach, coined by Eric Ries, that you have not just business process optimization, जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे थे ड्राइव अ कार. Your product development optimization is also very important. So build, measure, learn. How it works. आगे चलते हैं. पहले मैं थोड़ा सा इससे बात करता हूँ. I'll go back to. Yeah. Let's go. ऐसे ही चलता है. जैसे मैंने प्लान किया. तो you start something, you show it to people, you talk to people, you get your feedback, and then you learn and incorporate those changes into your technology or business. Lean startup is as simple as that. कुछ भी rocket science नहीं है. Okay. प्रॉब्लम क्या है? बिजनेस परफेक्ट बिजनेस प्लान जिसकी बात करते हैं, when you see about investor pitches, Shark Tank देखते हो, ये वो दुनिया भर का, they come up with lots of beautiful slides, colors and projections, or after 5 years I will be 100 crore company, after 10 years I will be your unicorn, after 15 years I will be get listed in the market and whatnot. The problem is that, as I told you earlier, market is a very volatile place, very dynamic place. No one knows how the market will turn up the next day. So you have the perfect business plan in action. आपके पास 20 पेज का डॉक्यूमेंट, 40 स्लाइड्स का प्रेजेंटेशन बना रखा है, that this and that and what not, मैं इतने लोगों को हायर करूंगा, इतना फंडिंग दूंगा, but the world is a very difficult place. जो टेक्नोलॉजी आपने अभी बना करके अपने हाथ में रखी है, जिसके which is the basis of your investment being raised or products being sold, tomorrow someone will come and just crush it like anything. DeepSeek case कितने लोगों ने सुना न्यूज़ में? What is the problem with what is the issue that happened after DeepSeek was launched? हाँ, Nvidia का क्रैश हो गया, why? बेसिस क्या थी उसकी? See what? Good enough. ठीक है. So every AI company in the world till date was heavily dependent on Nvidia GPUs. ठीक है. And Nvidia became the fastest to reach to $2 trillion valuation based on this AI revolution जो हम that we are witnessing in this phase right now. I am trying to give you examples from real life so that you can understand it better. So till date, Nvidia was the gold standard for GPUs, graphic processing unit, which helps AI models training. I'm being very non-technical here. Okay. And then all the AI-based startups or even big companies, they were buying Nvidia's GPUs, left and right and up and down. So the revenue of Nvidia's Nvidia का अपना कोई AI module नहीं है, मतलब not something that they market. Nvidia is a core hardware company. Okay, but since because of this AI revolution, Nvidia's sales, revenues and share value all went through the sky. Because it was thought that this is the gold standard for AI module training. Then DeepSeek came, which uses much less infrastructure and which is much more efficient than AI models that have been trained on Nvidia GPUs. What happened? People came to know that, okay, Nvidia is not the gold standard for AI-based businesses. We can do it in much cheaper, prices. First thing what happened? Now understand the effects. सबसे पहले तो Nvidia की sales गिर गई. At least projected sales गिर गई. That Nvidia that was thinking of selling 5 million GPUs next quarter, now they will not be able to sell because now people know there is an alternative. ठीक है? Second, AI based जितने भी आपकी companies थी startups की, उनके Nvidia पेपर रहते हैं, तो Nvidia की sales गिर गई. Sales गिरने से क्या हुआ? Nvidia की market performance खराब हो गई. When a market performance of any company that is listed in public goes down, what happens? इसके share prices गिरने लगे. What was the loss in terms of valuation that Nvidia suffered in one day? It was almost $500 billion. Can you imagine? $500 billion of valuation was wiped in overnight. Then, let's understand the effects further. Those startups, those are working in AI or even established companies that are working in AI, now they have a fresh competition in the market. DeepSeek. Now they have to develop something that is not based on Nvidia but something else so that they can challenge the accuracy of DeepSeek. Okay. So someone with again 20-page business plan and 40-slide presentation that they gave 2 months earlier that after 15 years I will be being listed in the stock market. So turned into nothing. just 2 days. This is how the market works. आज की डेट में आप जाओ किसी को बोलो आई विल बाई 500 यूनिट्स ऑफ एनवीडिया जीपीयू सर्वर्स, आप मुझे पैसे दे दो, यू इन्वेस्ट इनटू माय कंपनी, यू गिव मी $500 million, I will give you 20% equity, they will shoo you away. Go ahead, get lost. See DeepSeek, what they are doing. So why I am giving examples on कि why the lean startup model की today DeepSeek is there, they tested their product, they get the market feedback, now they are scaling. Okay, but अगर उन्होंने भी बिजनेस प्लान किया होता 10 साल बाद तक जो है वो वेट कर रहे होते, then it would have been a different thing. No one would have blinked an eye. ठीक है, तो चलो next. Roots of lean startup. So know your customer, which is essentially basis of every startup, not just being a startup. Eliminate waste, very important. Why we are focusing lean startup more than normal startup model? Because it, in one word, it optimizes your processes better. You should not waste anything. Eliminate waste doesn't mean paper wastage or wastage of electricity or wastage of my space or office space. No, any kind of wastage. Wastage in terms of human hours. मेरे एम्प्लॉई अगर हफ्ते में 10 घंटे या 20 घंटे काम कर रहे हैं, then it should be optimally used. ठीक है? If I am getting 10 number of orders each week, they should be optimally prepared and delivered in time. Because I don't want to waste a single penny in terms of delivery payment, late payment charges and all those things. ठीक है? Shrink batch size. Don't go too large. Don't try to, वो हिंदी में कहावत है ना कि उतनी चादर फैलाओ जितना क्या है वो, हाँ जितनी चादर हो तो उतना ही पैर फैलाओ, बेसिकली वही है कि उतना ही काम करो जितना कर सकते हो. डोंट ओवर कमिट. ठीक है? इन टाइम प्रोडक्शन जो मैंने आपको अभी बताया, एंड इन टाइम प्रोडक्शन इज नॉट जस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट इन टर्म्स ऑफ ये, दिस इज मोर ऑफ प्रोडक्शन इन टर्म्स ऑफ सॉफ्टवेयर डिलीवरीज आल्सो. Software cycles, your operating systems are getting updated every day. So you have to keep up with, you are an Android app developer. Okay. आपको Android के updates के साथ update रहना है खुद को. Okay. You have to ensure it is bug free. You have to ensure it is more battery, more CPU usage optimized. So you have to be very, wary of that also. So not ensuring that the time is low also for these processes, also ensuring that in the next time, this time window becomes even lesser. Today you can, at one point of time, Amazon used to deliver in 1 week or so. Everyone was happy. Then Amazon started delivering in 2 days. Everyone became even more happy. Then Amazon started same-day delivering. I mean, the world went, crazy. And then these guys came. 10 मिनट में लेके जाओ. ठीक है? Next क्या होगा? कि वो आपके घर के बाहर दुकान लगा के बैठा रहेगा कि आपको जो चाहिए सब लेके जाओ अभी. आपके डोर पे खड़ा है. ये तो नहीं होगा ना. So optimize up to the level जहाँ तक वो हो सके. And to be very frank, on a more personal note, I am not a good subscriber of this 10-minute delivery system. India में इतनी किसी को urgency नहीं है 10-minute delivery की, but that's my personal opinion. ठीक है? So, जो the lean pyramid that we are talking about, the lean startup, basically 3 fundamentals are there: vision, strategy, and product. Your vision should be broader. The more you think, the more you can, envisage the problem, the technology, how you are going to get customers, how you are going to cater their needs, the better. That is why it is at the bottom and it covers the maximum area. Then strategy. Then comes the strategy. Whatever you have envisaged, how you are going to do it, that is the strategy. I want to develop a software product, that's a vision. I want to cater to this many people in 1 month, that's your vision. I want to scale up to this, that is your vision. But how I am going to do it, that is your strategy. I want to have few team members. I want to buy some good hardware. I want to have office space. I want to have supply chain. I have to have these marketing channels. That is your strategy. and then comes the product. So interestingly, the product is, as you can see from the area at the top, most important, but without these two, it doesn't have any value. Today, I sit in my office, I develop a software product. Randomly, I thought of an idea, I developed something. Without these two, it may have immense potential, but it will never see the face or the day of light. Why? Because I have not worked on these two, the bottom two. Okay? Clear enough? Anything that is in, any questions till now? ठीक है. I think कुछ चीजों को मैं एक चीज होती है एक्सपेरिमेंटेशन. Forget it. हम इसको ज़्यादा डिस्कस नहीं करेंगे. Actually, I'm worried about time. लंच टाइम होगा क्या होगा?
सर लंच ओवर होने के बाद ये सेशन.
तो यार वो तो कह रहे हैं उनका हो गया.
नहीं उसी आपने फ्री ना ऐसे बोल रहे हैं वो बीच में वैसे 10 मिनट का ना मॉर्निंग इवनिंग का गैप है अदरवाइज इट्स नॉट लाइक
ओके ठीक है. चलो ठीक है. आई थिंक ऑल ऑफ यू आर फ्रॉम साइंस बैकग्राउंड. 11th में सबने साइंस तो पढ़ा होगा ना. अच्छा कॉमर्स वाले सॉरी माय बैड. कितने हैं साइंस वाले? वेरी गुड नंबर. व्हाट इज इतना तो कॉमर्स वाले बता सकते हैं एक्सपेरिमेंट क्या होता है. व्हाट डज एन एक्सपेरिमेंट मीन?
students kindly interact stop talking now students please cooperate
एक्सपेरिमेंट क्या होता है?
एक्सपेरिमेंट मतलब किसी भी चीज़ पे अगर हम एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं दैट्स हम केमिकल ले दो केमिकल फॉर्मूलाज को अगर हम मिला रहे हैं फिर हम उसमें क्या करते हैं ऑब्जर्व करते हैं. ऑब्जर्वेशन होती है बेसिक एनालिसिस.
तो तुम लैब में जाओगे और ए शर्त से केमिकल उठाया, बी शर्त से केमिकल उठाया, मिला दिया, ब्लास्ट हो गया, ऐसे करोगे?
नो सर. सर प्रॉपर होगी मेरे पास नॉलेज अभी मैं एक्सपेरिमेंट करूंगा उसके बाद.
नहीं, नॉलेज गेन करने के लिए एक्सपेरिमेंट क्या आता है? देखो 11 12 के एक्सपेरिमेंट्स आर टू गिव यू नॉलेज, बट द एक्चुअल एक्सपेरिमेंट जो यू हर्ड कि मैडम क्यूरी ने रेडियम की डिस्कवरी की, या इफ यू टॉक अबाउट अदर एक्सपेरिमेंट्स हेनरी बेकर ने एक्सरे खोजा, ये एक्सपेरिमेंट जो थे उन्हीं के पास कोई प्रायर नॉलेज नहीं था इसका. नहीं तो दे वुड नॉट हैव बीन कॉल्ड डिस्कवरर और इन्वेंटर. हाँ ठीक है. हम वी थिंक ऑफ अ हाइपोथेसिस. ठीक है, हम सोचते हैं, मैं कहूँगा कि these two chemicals है, ये और ये है. I know the chemical properties of this, I know the chemical properties of that. If I mix these, the result should be something like this. And then you mix it. So you have a hypothesis and then you start doing experiment to validate those hypotheses, to test those hypotheses. So that is your proof of concept that I discussed earlier. ठीक है? So hypothesis should be very well articulated in your brain. So this is research basically. थोड़ा सा I am taking a slight detour. Any type of research, scientific research नहीं. Any type of, you do market research, okay, you do product research, you do financial research, you do scientific research. Research is basically going through all the readily available material that is there, which is called the state of the art. Okay, you go through the state of the art, you study it, you see the knowledge available and the problem available. And as an inventor, as an innovator, your problem is to bring those, you bridge that gap based on the knowledge and based on your hypothesis. Okay. अरे ये क्या होता है? तो this is कुछ चीजें मैं एक्सपेरिमेंट में आपको बता देता हूँ. जिस हाइपोथेसिस की बात कर रहे हैं, that in business, startup world, not in scientific world, do leap of faith assumption. Leap of faith क्या होता है? What is leap of faith? Leap of faith. What does leap mean? लीप का मतलब क्या है? कूदना, जंप करना। फेथ मीन्स आपकी आस्था, आपका कॉन्फिडेंस। सो मैं 12वें माले पे जाऊं और मैं कूदूंगा, वो जो 90s के बच्चे जानते होंगे, आप में से कोई नहीं होगा, आपके टीचर जानते होंगे, वो कूद जाता था ही शक्तिमान आके बचा देगा। कितनों ने सुना ये कहानी? बहुत बच्चे मरे थे, बहुत ज्यादा। आई एम फ्रॉम दैट जनरेशन, मतलब रियली अशेम्ड ऑफ दैट। ठीक है, मैं 12वें माले पे जाऊं, मैं कूद जाऊं कि भगवान, ईश्वर, अल्लाह, जीसस मुझे नीचे तक जाने से पहले पंख दे देंगे, या नीचे जब तक मैं जाऊंगा नीचे वो पानी का तालाब बन जाएगा, या एक कुशन आ जाएगा। दैट इज योर फेथ एंड दैट इज योर लीप, कंप्लीटली मिसमैच्ड। नीचे गिरोगे, यू विल टर्न इनटू स्विच, कुछ नहीं बचेगा, काम खत्म। सो लीप ऑफ फेथ, एंड अगेन दिस इज अ सिमिलर थिंग लाइक हाइपोथेसिस, सेम थिंग एक्चुअली, कि मैंने हाइपोथेसाइज कर दिया कि व्हेन आई विल जंप ऑफ 12th फ्लोर, somehow by some miracles I will be saved by the God or some supernatural power. So what does this, the fallacy क्या, प्रॉब्लम क्या है इस पूरे हाइपोथेसिस की? assumption में प्रॉब्लम क्या है? assumption तो है, assumption तो आप बिजनेस में भी करते हो, प्रॉब्लम कहाँ है इसमें? It's illogical, exactly, it's illogical, कोई सेंस नहीं बनता इसका। ठीक है, I have not witnessed it anywhere in the world, through news item, through social media, मैंने कहीं नहीं सुना कि कोई 12वें माले से कूद करके बच गया। But I have seen that people who start their own company, they had thought, I will go there. It was their leap of faith that I will go to retail first. I will not go to corporate, employees for corporate business first. That is their leap of faith. They don't know who will buy it. When basically assume Steve Jobs, when he started that iPhone building, 2-3-4 years का उसका development था. It was at that time Apple was doing okayish, not very good. iPod business was doing really well. But developing an iPhone kind of a product from scratch needed lots of investment in terms of finances, in terms of infrastructure, in terms of manpower, in terms of time, in terms of his own energy, his focus. And why didn't he think of, I will develop a proper software suite just like Microsoft Office to send it to corporate? It was a leap of faith, his assumption that his vision and his assumption that market needs and the market will buy. Vision was market needs, assumption was market will definitely buy a product like iPhone. That was the leap of faith. And at that time Apple was doing okay, so I cannot rate that high. Assume a startup जिसके पास कुछ भी नहीं है, ठीक है? He or she took a loan from bank, 50 lakhs. He or she starts doing it, and at different points, whom I want to make a co-founder, whom I want to hire in my team, who will be the chief technical officer, who will be the HR manager, who will be my sales head, how my product will be packaged, how my product will be marketed. All these things based on some facts, based on some logic, but by then there is an assumption. There is no direct prediction. Making sense? चलो, तो उसी में बहुत सारी टर्मिनोलॉजीज हैं, तो वो कैसे आप वो डिसीजंस लेते हो उसके लिए this is a very interesting slide. Analogs and antilogs. You study the market, and a good assumption is always backed on the facts. Just like the example I gave you कि मैं 12वें माले से कूद जाऊंगा तो मुझे कोई बचाएगा नहीं, because I know for a fact कि ऐसा किसी के साथ हुआ नहीं, ठीक है? But अगर मैं मार्केट में एक स्मार्टफोन ऐप बनाऊं जो कि क्विक कॉमर्स करे, तो it can be done because I have analogs for that. मैं देख रहा हूँ Zepto is successful, I am seeing Instamart is successful, I am seeing this Blinkit is successful. और why should I do? ऐसा कुछ बना है जो फेल हो गया, तो any examples बताओ, कोई भी example that you think that was marketed and failed.
Byju's.
Byju's, good, very good. नैनो कार, वेरी गुड, एक्सीलेंट। फोल्डेबल्स, modular phones, excellent. The world is full with anti-locks also. I am thinking कि मैं I will develop a car, मुझे एक कार बनानी है. What will be my hypothesis facts? मेरी hypothesis का baseline क्या होगा? Those cars who are very successful and those cars who have failed in the market. So मैं Tesla को भी study करूँगा and I will study Nano as well. I will study Ambassador as well, which was at one point of time very successful but failed. Okay, so these kind of studies help you drive a logical, fact-based hypothesis that has the better chance of flourishing rather than failing. ठीक है? So this is basically जो पूरी अभी कथा हुई है, ये हमने स्टार्टअप की थी. तो इसको छोड़ देते हैं, बस लास्ट बचा है MVP, मिनिमम वायबल प्रोडक्ट. अब कुछ क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे, बताना है. 3 चीजें दिख रही हैं, अ कैंडल, बीच में क्या है? लैंटर्न, लास्ट में लाइट बल्ब. ठीक है? सो MVP फिलॉसफी जो है, बेसिकली इट सेज, इसके बाद के मैं स्लाइड स्किप कर दूंगा. दिस इज द लास्ट स्लाइड, इट विल बी वेरी इंटरैक्टिव. अज्यूम यू आर इन आदिमानव एरा. ठीक है? द प्रॉब्लम इन हैंड दैट रात में अंधेरा हो जाता है. हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू सॉल्व? चलो लगाओ दिमाग पर. हाँ, आग का इन्वेंशन नहीं हुआ है. बोलो बोलो बोलो. जुगनू, फायरफ्लाई, वेरी गुड. क्या करोगे उसका? हाँ, वेरी गुड. सो यू आर आदिमानव एरा, अंधेरा है, कोई काम नहीं हो पा रहा है. यू कलेक्ट लॉट्स ऑफ फायरफ्लाइज, जुगनू, उनको भी इधर से इकट्ठा कर दिया एक जगह. इतनी रोशनी हो जाएगी कि तुम बेर मिनिमम काम कर लो. सो दिस इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ मिनिमम वायबल प्रोडक्ट. कोई इसमें फैंसीफुलनेस नहीं है, कोई इसमें ज्यादा सर नहीं खपाया. ठीक है? बट प्रीमा फेसी एटलीस्ट इट इज सॉल्विंग द प्रॉब्लम. It is a product that can be purchased by the customer. ठीक है? Now I say now, why the minimum viable product? पूरा concept काम कैसे करता है? Because again, 4th or 5th time I am reiterating, market is a very dynamic and volatile place. कल को कोई नई टेक्नोलॉजी आ जाएगी. ठीक है? तो आपका ये जुगनू वाला, अब एक आया, देखो भैया मैंने आग का इन्वेंशन कर दिया, तुम्हारा जुगनू का धंधा बंद. ठीक है? नहीं, कलेक्ट करना मुश्किल है. इट्स रादर इजी. कलेक्ट बंच ऑफ वुड एंड उसको आप जो है स्टोन से जला, इजी है. सो द नेक्स्ट थिंग बिकम द, अब MVP, या तो आपको ही लगा कि उसने आग इन्वेंट कर ली, तो ना देयर इज न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी इन द मार्केट, हाउ आई कैन यूज टू इम्प्रूव माई MVP. ठीक है? तो यू थॉट कि यार वो आग तो जला रहा है, बट वो सिर्फ खाना गर्म करने के लिए बना रहा है, खाना बनाने के लिए कर रहा है. आई विल यूज इट फॉर माई बिजनेस विच इज नॉट खाना बनाना, विच इज प्रोवाइडिंग लाइट. तो तुमने उसका टेक्नोलॉजी को लाइसेंस किया, उससे बोला कि मुझे भी आग जलाने का तरीका बताओ, बदले में जितना मैं इससे पैसे कमाऊंगा उसका जो है मैं तुम्हें 20% दूंगा. सो यू हैव नॉट फर्दर डेवलप्ड योर मिनिमम वायबल प्रोडक्ट फ्रॉम जुगनू टू आग. ठीक है? बिकॉज टेक्नोलॉजी चेंज हो गई, मार्केट चेंज हो गया. अब नेक्स्ट क्या है? कोई आया, किसी ने कहा कि मैंने खुदाई करी एंड मैंने देखा कि पेट्रोलियम निकलता है मार्केट जमीन के अंदर से, बट मुझे इसका यूज नहीं पता, ये जलता बहुत अच्छा है. देन यू सा मार्केट अपॉर्चुनिटी. यू सा कि पैराफिन वैक्स बहुत अच्छा जलता है. यार अगर थोड़ा उसको पीछे चलते हैं, कोई मधुमक्खी के छत्ते में काम कर रहा था, शहद बेच रहा था, उसको मिल गया मोम वैक्स जो उसमें होता है. ठीक है? देन ही सेड कि यार ये बहुत अच्छा चलता है, ये ऑलरेडी लाइट के बिजनेस में, उसको कोई आइडिया नहीं है कि लाइट का बिजनेस कैसे किया जाएगा. he or she will come to him, कुछ यूज कर सकते हो? हनी वैक्स का इसको लगा यार, दिस इज अमेजिंग, मतलब मुझे लकड़ी नहीं इकट्ठा करनी इतनी सारी, आई विल जस्ट कलेक्ट 50 ग्राम ऑफ वैक्स, उसमें आई विल पुट अ थ्रेड, मैं बेच दूंगा लोगों को. अगेन एन एमवीपी, मिनिमम वायबल प्रोडक्ट का नेक्स्ट स्टेज, compatible, compact, easy to use, easy to transport. ठीक है? See, are you able to understand the evolution that we are getting at every step? ठीक है? चलो ये हो गया. अब मोमबत्ती बिकने लगी. कल को किसी ने फिर नेक्स्ट आया. अब मोमबत्ती का प्रॉब्लम क्या है? ये बुझ जाती है, हवा सस्टेन नहीं कर पाती, रोशनी कम है, थोड़ी सी कार्सिनोजेनिक भी है, बीवैक्स. What should we do next? So someone who is working in petroleum, he came, I got kerosene, you know, मिट्टी का तेल जिसको वैसे इनऑर्गेनिक, ये बहुत अच्छा चलता है, कुछ बना सकते हैं क्या? He said, यार ये अच्छा आइडिया, मेरी मोमबत्ती हवा से बुझ जाती है, I will do something with this kerosene. He quickly took some glass, उसको बना दिया, लाइटर बना दिया, and then जो सारी प्रॉब्लम्स थी इसकी वो खत्म हो गई. ठीक है? चलो नेक्स्ट स्टेज ऑफ मिनिमम वायबल प्रोडक्ट आ गया. See, the minimum viable product, हर स्टेज पे you are getting feedback from customer, feedback from the market, feedback from the technology development, life cycle of the society, and then you are incorporating all those things to further develop your minimum viable product. बहुत सिंपल कंसेप्ट है, अगर आप लॉजिकली सोचें, अमेजिंगली सिंपल एंड इनक्रेडिबली ब्यूटीफुल. और मैं आपको बहुत बेसिक एग्जांपल समझा रहा हूं so that you can find it useful and interesting. ठीक है? When you go in deep technology, थोड़ा सा चेंज जाएगा but basic fundamental remains. Now next step. किसी ने so someone invented electricity. ठीक है? उसको नहीं पता कि मैं क्या करूं इसका. अभी तक वो इंफॉर्मेशन ट्रांसफर करने काम में आ रही है उसमें, जो पहले हम यूज करते थे. क्या आपको कहते हैं? मैम वो जो मोर्स कोड से चलता है, व्हाट इज द वर्ड, उसको क्या कहते हैं? जो सेकंड वर्ड बार मुझे भी नहीं याद आ रहा है. टेलीग्राफ. यस, टेलीग्राफ. तो टेलीग्राफ यूज कर रहे हैं, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी डिस्कवर हो गई है, बट मुझे पता नहीं क्या करना. तब तक इनकी प्रॉब्लम स्टार्ट हो गई है लैंटर्न के साथ कि शीशा टूट जा रहा है, शीशा काला पड़ जा रहा है, कस्टमर फीडबैक आ रहा है, क्या बना के दे दिया है, मैं 2 घंटे पढ़ाई करूं फिर मैं बैठ करके शीशा साफ करते रहूं. कस्टमर फीडबैक बहुत खराब आ रहा है, इसका मार्केट जा रहा है, ये सोच रहा मैं क्या करूं. देन इसकी नजर पड़ी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी पे कि यार इसका कुछ कर सकते हैं. देन सडनली एडिसन से उनकी मुलाकात हुई, दोनों ने मिल करके बल्ब बनाया. अगेन अब इसका नेक्स्ट स्टेज सोचो, इसके बाद क्या हुआ. इसके नेक्स्ट स्टेज आप लोगों ने सबने देखा हुआ है. क्यों? हाउ एमवीपी चेंज हियर एंड व्हाई? गरम बहुत होता है. इट्स हाईली इनएफिशिएंट. 95% ऑफ एनर्जी दैट इज गिवन टू इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बल्ब इज वेस्टेड एज हीट. ठीक है? लाइट उतनी नहीं होती है, तो लोगों को घर के बिल आने लगे, कह रहे यार ये तो बकवास प्रोडक्ट है, मतलब गवर्नमेंट बिजली के दाम बढ़ा दे रही है और हम ये बल्ब पे चल रहे हैं, कैसे कर चलेगा. देन समवन केम कि यार विल यूज एलईडी टेक्नोलॉजी, और उससे पहले सीएफएल टेक्नोलॉजी, फ्लोरोसेंट लैंप्स. ठीक है? The tube is coated with fluorescent chemicals, and when the electricity is passed through it, it emits light. Then उसमें प्रॉब्लम आई कि the chemical is highly carcinogenic, टूट जाता है, ग्लास का बना हुआ है, उसके साथ ये प्रॉब्लम है. Then the next stage का LED. तो यूजर को क्या चैलेंजेस आ रहे हैं, मार्केट को क्या चैलेंजेस आ रहे हैं, और टेक्नोलॉजी कैसे डेवलप हो रही है. All these three go hand in hand for this MVP journey. ये लास्ट में आपको समझा रहा हूँ, मैं इधर इस पूरी कहानी को अपने दिमाग में अच्छे से सोचो. हाँ भाई. So it's pretty self-explanatory, but try to understand. I want to develop a transport vehicle that consists of wheels. This is your problem statement. Okay. एक पहिया बना दिया. ठीक है? पहिए बैठ के जा सकते हो? You can't go anywhere. I attached 2 wheels. एक बीच में हमने एक्सेल डाल दिया. Can you use it to go anywhere? Not necessarily. It's the same thing. 2 wheels attached with an axle. It's not a minimum viable product. It is a minimum viable product. It can be sold in the market. It can, it's a skateboard. It can be sold in the market. Okay. I want to add some metal and an engine to it. Engine add कर दिया यहाँ, या metal body बना दी, यहाँ पे बना दी. Again, it is not a minimum viable product. It is. At each stage, this is solving a problem. This is solving the problem at the final stage. Assume किसी को ये बनाने के लिए कितना investment चाहिए because they are not getting any revenue from it. All this journey has to be investors' money, or loan, or bank's money, or your own pocket. What if this does not work? ये नहीं बिका मार्केट में तो क्या होगा? Bankrupt हो जाओगे भाई. इतना you will devote your years for developing it. You will burn through money like anything. Okay, you will invest your time, energy, family time. खत्म हो जाएगा, सब कुछ खत्म हो जाएगा, and then by then you will not be able to sell. Here, you made some money here, you made some money here, you made some money here. You are in the market. People know you. People have given feedback to you. People appreciate you. That is why you are going ahead. And by the time you launch your car, you are already a big brand. यार उसकी साइकिल बहुत अच्छी थी, उसकी बाइक बहुत अच्छी थी, कार भी अच्छी होगी. I'm not, by no means I am saying that this car is not superior than this. It can be very superior, but this will not take any customer with it. So this is the minimum viable product and why you should use if you are venturing into entrepreneurial journey. ठीक है? So I will leave the examples. बाकी सब कहानी है. चलो, thank you. Thank you so much.
On behalf of Jagannath International Management School, Vasalpur, I extend my deepest and heartfelt gratitude to Mr. Naveen Kumar Kaur for delivering such a wonderful, inspiring and insightful session that has left us all enriched with knowledge. Your expertise and wisdom have provided us with an in-depth understanding of how innovation evolves from a mere idea to a real-world application. Your words have truly inspired us to embrace creativity and technological advancements in our academic and professional journeys. Your detailed insights into lean startup and minimum viable product business have given us a fresh and practical perspective on how research can be transformed into meaningful and impactful solutions. This session has been an eye-opener for students, researchers, and entrepreneurs alike, guiding us on the path of innovation and implementation. We sincerely appreciate your time, effort, and dedication in enlightening us with your profound knowledge. Your contributions to the field of technology and innovation are truly commendable, and we are honored to have you had the opportunity to learn from you today. A big thank you to Institution's Innovation Council, IIC, and the Department of Information Technology for organizing this exceptional and insightful session. Your continuous efforts in fostering innovation and entrepreneurship are shaping the future leaders of tomorrow. Finally, thank you to the audience for being such a great listeners. I'm sure the day was fun-filled and a learning experience for all of us. Thank you so much, everyone.